Dear, I would like to discuss a matter with you today. Today's matter is about mentor. All we may have friends. You have friends, me as well as everybody have friends. Then what is the difference with a friend and a mentor? Both friend and mentor is considerably everybody thinking that person who is a well-wisher or supporting a person to conquer a target. Actually, eh, in a broad sense, mentor is coming list of under the title of a well-wisher who is having specific knowledge as well as a skill to guide you in a proper way for your desired target or desired goals. Ultimately, the person who can lead to you in a specific achievement that may call a mentor. Sometimes we are getting some people as mentor for for career development, for educational for educational success, achieving higher grades in education, and many other things in other areas of life. We may have natural mentors. Natural mentors are not actually we are appointing anybody. They are coming to our life as the natural phenomena, and they are guiding, and they are looking after everything what we do, and they are trying to guide and impose their strategy for the betterment of ourselves, not for mentors. But on the other hand, some professional mentors are there. They are specifically scientifically trained to do something for other persons, to motivate as well as be clear about the future, clear about the target, and clear about the action plan. So everybody, some people, some successful business owners as well as some celebrities will follow the system of having a mentor for a specific target, a specific achievement. They are keeping their mentor, maybe as an advisor, as a manager, something like that. You can have another opportunity to have a mentor. It is by your own way. It is by your own way. Always keeping a target and keeping your focus only to the target, and make an action plan with the help of technology as well as the AI, and make the procedure or step-by-step action chart, and you can make sure as a mentor in your mobile phone. If you are okay, comfortable with AI tools, you can appoint your AI tool as a mentor. That AI tool will discuss with you about your target, your action plans, and everything you are doing for today, for next day. What is it correlating with your next project achievement? So definitely AI is able to work as a mentor. If you are willing to try, if you are willing to try as AI in your mobile phone as your mentor, use it as a project. Use AI tool with a project as a mentor. Appoint AI as a mentor and discuss the matter and get advice from the mentor. It must be genuine. Don't hide anything from the mentor. If you are hiding and giving information wrongly that you did that chapter today, you did that much work we decided to do for this day, and it is your sincerity to have success in your life with the help of a mentor. A mentor can guide you and advise you. Mentor can create a chart of action plan for you with the relation with the time and date. If you are doing the specific chart properly, sincerely, with the utmost intention for the success, definitely you will reach. And I am on process of a target for achieving one thing with the help of AI as a mentor. I am updating things. Both we discuss about the project, and I got advice from the AI, as well as they provide a chart of action for me. Daily based actions are suggested, and I am keeping on that work. Regularly I am following the chart which was made by the mentor from AI. This is the first time I am using AI as an advisor. Artificial intelligence, basically artificial mentor. It can advise you, it can collect information for you. If you are ready to follow the instruction from the AI tool and obediently do what both of you decide to do in the basis of timetable, 99% I am pretty sure you will reach to the desired goal on the specific time you decided. For today, this much only, and I will update my insight and little bit knowledge and my life experiences for you, because I am sure all valuable informations must be transmitted to the community for the well-being of the world. So I am winding up this session. Consider to subscribe. It is not easy for a human to have a mentor in these days, because all times and all efforts are valuable and highly paid. Then you can try artificial intelligence as a mentor. Thanks for watching. Thanks to be with me with your great time. Thank you. Thanks so much.